The fusion core is the most iconic power source in Fallout. But have you ever wondered how this battery actually came to be and why it powers everything? Today we are gonna break down its history while we build this mini model. By the way, while I work on the fusion core, check this out. These are parts for our next project. This model took some time to finish in software. Drop a comment if you have any guess what this actually is. And if you don't wanna miss that video in future uploads, make sure to sub. Okay, to understand the fusion core we need to go back to the mid-21st century. By 2050, global oil reserves were almost gone. This triggered a massive energy crisis and a series of heavy conflicts for resources. Energy prices skyrocketed, global economies collapsed, and the world fell into total chaos. So the turning point for America was New Tech by West Tech with help from mass fusion. In 2066 they did the impossible, they squeezed a nuclear reactor into a small battery. It became a top secret asset. But this tech was too late. It couldn't stop the global collapse and the crisis kept going. Still, the fusion core changed everything on the battlefield. It became the primary power source for military gear and power armor, replacing heavy generators. These cores can run basic equipment for years, but in actual combat they run out fast. At the same time, this is a delicate piece of tech. Inside it holds plasma under high pressure, protected by a dense casing. If you damage this shell, it triggers a critical failure and an instant energy release. Okay, later microfusion tech reached the consumer market. The auto giant Chrysalis Motors built the iconic rocket 69 sports car with an onboard Liberty engine microreactor, packing almost 700 horsepower. It became the ultimate symbol of atomic optimism. By the way, I'm thinking about building a nuclear style rocket 69 in the future. But here's the question. Should I make it brand new, fresh off the factory line, or go with my usual rusty wasteland look? Drop a comment and tell me which version you wanna see. By the way, I actually filmed a video about the Rocket 69 for my second channel a while ago, but it never came out. I was gonna show you a picture of this car, but then I remembered I built a huge car domino in Fallout just to set off a giant explosion. Classic response when you get bored in games. So instead of a boring photo, check out these exclusive clips of that car. Anyway, back to the build. The model is almost finished. Before we wrap this up, if you haven't yet, make sure to sub to the channel. Thank you. Another model complete. As for the Rocket 69, let me know what you think. Should we go factory fresh or cover it in rust? Catch you later.